a looming shadow US economic concerns. Inflation, though cooling, still lingers, eroding purchasing power and squeezing household budgets. Government spending continues to climb, raising concerns about the national debt and its long-term implications. The stock market has shown volatility, swinging between periods of growth and decline. Job reports offer a mixed bag, with unemployment relatively low but wage growth struggling to keep pace with inflation. The decisions made by policymakers in the coming months and years will have a profound impact on the financial well-being of millions of Americans. Voices of warning: Musk, Kiyosaki, and the Federal Reserve. Among those sounding the alarm are prominent figures like Elon Musk and Robert Kiyosaki. Musk has been a vocal critic of government spending, arguing that it is fueling inflation and creating a dangerous debt bubble. Kiyosaki has warned that the US dollar's decline is inevitable, citing the Federal Reserve's policies of quantitative easing and near-zero interest rates. Their concerns are echoed by a growing chorus of economists and analysts who argue that the Federal Reserve's policies are unsustainable. Critics argue that the Fed's massive injection of liquidity has inflated asset prices, creating an everything bubble that is ripe for a correction. A house of cards, the fragility of the US dollar. For decades, the dollar has enjoyed a privileged position in the global financial system, underpinned by the strength of the US economy. However, some experts argue that this dominance is waning, as evidenced by factors such as the growing national debt and the rise of alternative currencies. The dollar's status as the world's reserve currency grants the US significant economic and geopolitical advantages. As the global economy evolves and new powers emerge, the dollar's dominance is being challenged. China, in particular, has been actively promoting the use of its own currency, the yuan, in international trade and finance. Section 4. Bitcoin, a beacon in uncertain times. Amidst these economic uncertainties, Bitcoin has emerged as a potential safe haven asset for some investors. Bitcoin, a decentralized digital currency, has gained significant traction in recent years, attracting both institutional and retail investors. Proponents of Bitcoin argue that its decentralized nature, limited supply, and resistance to censorship make it an attractive alternative to traditional fiat currencies. This decentralized nature makes Bitcoin resistant to government interference and manipulation. Furthermore, Bitcoin has a fixed supply cap of 21 million coins, meaning that there will never be more than that amount in circulation. Section 5. The potential impact, a shifting financial landscape. The potential implications of these economic trends are far-reaching. If the US dollar were to lose its status as the world's reserve currency, it could have a significant impact on the US economy. The cost of imports could also increase, leading to higher inflation and a decline in living standards. On the other hand, the rise of alternative currencies like Bitcoin could present both opportunities and challenges. A more decentralized financial system could empower individuals and reduce reliance on traditional financial institutions. Section 6. Conclusion. Navigating the economic crossroads. The US economy stands at a crossroads. The decisions made by policymakers in the coming years will have a profound impact on the financial well-being of millions of Americans. Addressing the challenges of inflation, government spending, and the potential decline of the US dollar will require careful consideration and a willingness to embrace new ideas. Navigating this new landscape will require adaptability, innovation, and a willingness to challenge the status quo.